Can I ask a question about the immobilizer?
Yes.
Have you ever had issues with the phone not connecting and not being able to like unimmobilize it?
Very good question. So we have a fix for that. It's in the instructions, and I'll get to that a little later. But what you can do is disconnect the connector from the module, and then you put a jumper, and each instruction set comes with that information on how to do that. And you're basically jumpering power to signal. And that tells the Bluetooth that it needs to reboot. And it'll reboot internally from its source code and rewrite it. So now your pin is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So, and also on very rare occasions, especially if you have a situation where a customer has issues with grounds or like a bad alternator throwing spikes, sometimes it'll corrupt the memory in these. And if you get some really weird things happening on the app and the car is just not running right or it won't connect, you want to do that reboot function. And it'll reload all the internals in it. So it's pretty rugged, pretty hard to kill.
Have you had many issues with the immobilizer? Or?
No. The only time we've had issues is when someone has immobilized the car and then they forgot they immobilized it. Yeah. And then so that's another thing too. It's like, hey, a car won't start, there's no spark and everything. And okay, go to this page. Oh yeah, I forgot I immobilized it. So that's the only thing.